Last one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the last one ever. Last one ever. Come on.
We're not going to get in here, are we?
Yes, we are.
We're all going to get in here. Oh my goodness. 28 seconds.
All right.
You never sit down and watch it, do you? Monitor it. Monitor control.
That's quite light for a dark room.
Shouldn't be doing it like this, really, Chris.
I stood in the wrong place. Probably go and ruin the last one.
Yeah, you have to do it again.
It's the last time Chris is ever going to do an exposure.
That's the last. Hold them up.
You used an A4.
The first and last forms. Who set that one?
Paul, would you want yours? The fluffies? Oh, come on. How the hell am I going to... Well, I don't believe that.
Take your coat off.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Take your coat off.
I can't because I got this round as well. This ain't right. Oh, come on. How am I getting it to start with? Oh, God. Get out. Get out.
Are you belting tomorrow?
No, yes, I am.
I don't know you are.
Oh, that'll pull it off for her. I like it.
He can't take his arm out because he's back.
Wait a minute.
I'm going to run out of memory on my phone.
Yeah. Get out. Get out. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, I'll let it rip it off. I don't want it anyway.
How did it
get in there? I don't know. How did it get in there? Oh, bloody
That's
hell.
all the martini girls you're thinking about.
Yeah, that's what it is. I'll let it rip it off because there's no way I'm going to get this out of here. Lisa, I'm going to rip it. Here we go.
There you are. There it is for you to sew on again.
The latest modern technology to create your bespoke stamp with the quickest turnaround possible. We're the exclusive UK distributor of Shiny brand stamps.